In this video I will inform you about AIS Technolabs scholarship program for engineering students in Australia, USA and Canada. Whether it is about building an architectural structure, manufacturing any product, or maintaining a machine, they need engineers everywhere. The quick transformation in technology these days is something which is depicting the hard work of engineers these days. If you want to be one of them and aspiring to take education in the engineering field but facing financial constraints, this scholarship program is there to help you. If you have enrolled for any engineering course, whether it is mechanical engineering, civil engineering, aeronautical engineering or even agricultural engineering, this scholarship program is there to aid you financially. Eligibility. The applicant should be either citizen or permanent resident of Australia, USA or Canada. The applicant must have completed high school, secondary school education. The applicant must have enrolled or planning to enroll for an undergraduate or postgraduate course in engineering, for example BE, ME, BTech, MTech, etc., from an accredited college, university, institution in Australia, USA or Canada. The applicant should not be a dropout. The applicant should not have a gap between the bachelor's and master's degree. Benefits. On winning this scholarship, you get $5,000 as a reward which you can use against your tuition fees and other expenses related to your education. Application. To apply for the scholarship program for engineering students, you need to submit a project relevant to your course of study. For example, if you have enrolled or planning to enroll for civil engineering, you can submit a project on designing an earthquake-proof building or something which includes a new idea and innovative approach. The project would be the combination of text, drawing, pictures, videos, etc. which should be compiled in a PDF file and emailed before the 15th of May of every year. Apart from this innovative engineering project, you need to email the below mentioned details: name, student ID number, course of study, name of the college, institute, university, address, contact details. You can see the link to get more information about this scholarship in the description section of the video.